there, good afternoon. I'm Kirsten Neese. I'm out here in Spring Creek near Charlottesville, Virginia and Zion Crossroads. We're just about 17 minutes east of Charlottesville in the downtown area, out in the lovely Spring Creek gated golf course community. Today we're going to be showcasing our Nelson floor plan. This is a beautiful new floor plan for us, and we have listened to some of the feedback that we've received out here and made some modifications to this plan to make it best for you. So let's go take a peek inside and see what's going on. So I'm out here on the front porch of the Nelson that's under construction. It's in framing and rough ends, and I wanted to give you guys a sneak peek of this brand new floor plan for us so that you can envision what is to come. So let's take a look inside. So as we enter this brand new floor plan, what we love the most about it is this amazing, bright, open entrance foyer. Here on the left, we've got our powder room under the stairwell, and here your stairwell, looking back at the front door and front window. So as we slide on into the great room, you can see the island right here that's going to have beautiful, large, entertaining island for your kitchen. And then on the back wall, you have the door to the patio and the firebox for your fireplace, which are all included here at Cornerstone Homes in Spring Creek. So, and a floor outlet there in the center of the room. You just see all the natural light that's pouring in through these windows. And then here where the double windows are, that will be your dining area. So swinging back around now to that's your foyer. But this is what is the new change, and what's so amazing is this great entertaining island. And then along the back wall here, you'll have your cooktop and range. That's the hood vent going to be installed and roughed in there with the big silver. And here where we have all the HVAC rough in will be more cabinets, and a nice L-shaped kitchen will show up here. So you'll have cabinets along this wall. That's your back owner's entry door. And then all along the wall here, where you see all the blocking, that's for cabinets to be hung. And again, this is your large entertaining island. And let's go back here. This is your owner's entry. So you'll come in through your garage right here. You'll have your washer and dryer and a closet here on the right, and then a nice large walk-in pantry, which is something that a lot of our homeowners really, really love. And you can see this purple between your home and the home next door is the firewall. So again, we'll go through the kitchen. Here, what we have where you see this inset area, that is your flex area where we can put a command center or a built-in desk, and just a little extra space for that home office on the first floor. Come through this beautiful entry into your owner's suite. Really nice large room, perfect for a king bed. Lots of wall space for dressers, nightstands, beds, and then into your owner's bath. Here you'll have a large double vanity. This shower is set up to be a zero threshold. See how the concrete is below grade of the floor? So you can see the darker area here. That means the tile will lay flush with the flooring. Again, all the blocking in the walls for grab bars, a nice seat, but a really nicely sized shower. Here's your toilet area, again with blocking, and then your large walk-in closet. So we're just really thrilled about this new plan. These homes overlook a beautiful common area here in the back of Spring Creek. Just really nice vistas. Just just a really beautiful view on your covered patio out the back side. Again, we're in the Nelson. This is a brand new plan here for us at Cornerstone Homes in Spring Creek. And we'll walk on up and take a peek upstairs. Okay, so we have walked upstairs. Again, this house is in Ruffin, which means all the things that go behind your walls and in your walls are getting placed in the home. So today it looked like they were doing a lot of HVAC work. That's stationed back here in this large unfinished storage area. Plenty of space for those things that you just can't part with. And this is your loft area, even though there's a shower and tub up here that will go in the bathroom. But we've got a really big loft and spacious flex area. A couple of closets, and then your 2 bedrooms up here, nicely appointed with a beautiful large closet along this whole wall. Nice big wall for a queen size bed, lots of natural light. Again, a great dresser wall. And then as we go into this other bedroom, again, 2 large windows, great wall space for that queen bed or 2 doubles. And this one features a walk-in closet, which is wonderful for additional storage. Just tons of storage space in this home. And here we have a bathroom. Again, you see that blocking going in between the studs. That helps us install cabinetry and grab bars when those are requested. So the tub and shower will go here on this wall. This is a linen closet right here. Again, a large double vanity right here. And back out to your large bonus space upstairs. Well, we hope you enjoyed our tour of the Nelson plan. It is just glorious out here in Spring Creek. We've got several homes under construction that you can see behind my back and went in today. And then just down the street here, more homes that we've built and more that are coming out of the ground. We have a few spec homes here as well. So we hope that you'll come out and visit us. And Hugh, our sales manager, would be happy to take you around and show you all of the wonderful amenities and floor plans that we have to offer here at Spring Creek. Have a great afternoon.